Howdy, my name is Scott. I'm from Waynesboro, Pennsylvania. I'm here to show you the fast shaving technique of the OmniShaver. I just put hot water on my head. I'm going to be using the Cremo cooling shaving cream. Get a little bit more in there. And we're in like a dirty shirt. And now I will use the OmniShaver, starting now. There you have it. What you just saw was about 3 days exact of hair growth, and minus a little bit of the touch-up, freshen-ups. This is pretty much a smooth shave. So there you have it. There's my very fast shave job from the OmniShaver. I'm impressed. Thank you very much.